This experiment will change how you think about food. Did you ever hear about the monkey and the ladder experiment? It's one of those stories that once you hear it, you can't unhear it. And honestly, it explains so much about how we live, eat, and blindly repeat habits that no longer serve us. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe. I will be posting more videos soon on weight loss, lifestyle, and fashion. Let me tell you what happened. Researchers put 5 monkeys in a room. In the middle is a ladder. At the top are bananas. Naturally, one monkey climbs up to the bananas. But the moment he does, they'll spray all the monkeys with freezing water. So the monkeys learn, if one climbs, we get all punished. Eventually, when another monkey tries, the rest pull him down and beat him up to stop the punishment. Then the researchers start replacing the monkeys one by one. Every time a new monkey enters and reaches for the bananas, he gets attacked, even though he has no idea why. He just learns, don't go for the banana. Eventually, all 5 monkeys are replaced. None of them have ever been sprayed. None of them know the original reason. But still, they keep pulling each other down. And why? Because that is just how it's done. And you know what? That's exactly what we do with food, with dieting, with health, with our bodies. We inherit rules like eat low fat, count calories, eat every 3 hours. Red meat is dangerous. You need your grain. Don't skip breakfast. Don't eat fat. Carnivore is dangerous. You need 6 meals a day. Skipping meals really ruins your metabolism. This is exactly how we have been taught to eat. We follow rules, but these rules didn't exist when humans thrived. Back then, we hunted. We ate meat and fat. We fasted between meals. There were no cravings, no calorie counting, no obesity, just natural energy, deep clarity, and strong, healthy bodies. It's time to return to that. We are told all of this. Did we ever test ourselves? Instead, we pull ourselves down or let others do it for us. And even though the cold water stopped a long time ago, even though we never tried that banana, well, I used to live by those rules. I was bloated, I was tired, I was inflamed and constantly craving for sugar and never satisfied. And I thought the problem was me until I realized I was climbing the wrong ladder. I stopped following the rules the world gave me and started listening to my own body. And that's when everything changed. I lost 20 kilos without tracking a single calorie. My cravings disappeared. My skin cleared up. My mind became quiet for the first time in years. And I had energy like never before. I believe this is one of the biggest reasons why people stay stuck. Not because they don't want to change, but it's because they have been taught it's wrong to try, that it's risky, that it won't work. But what if that fear was never even yours? What if you're just repeating someone else's rule and protecting yourself from a danger that was never real? And what if the banana is exactly what you need to heal? That is why I created the new Lifestyle University. It's where I guide you step by step to build your own healing lifestyle. Inside, you will find weekly live Zoom calls with me or a coach, a full training about nutrition, mindset, energy, and self-love, a carnivore-based food guidance, recipes, and support, a loving community walking this path with you, and the best part, it's only $8 a month. No pressure, and you can cancel anytime. No questions asked. You can choose to feel better, to be better. One step, one bite, one breath at a time. The link is in the description, and I'll be there with you. Now, more content is coming on this platform, from weight loss to real lifestyle shifts and fashion. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Have a glorious day or night. Bye.